Ang sa ano yan malibot, kamula yan ano yan.
Di man. Bakit hindi nakadulog sa bato?
Hindi mo mag-grill ka din sa ano? Yung lagron yun.
Guys, hindi mo kayo open. So confused. See? I'm stone. 4:30 traffic here in Lidburn. Spider-Man.
Kahit ano, may butaan na lang yan eh.
Ceiling fan. Pin lights are in with the switch. Whatever stuff.
Pin lights.
They got pin lights too. Cool.
Do you have pin lights?
Not yet, maybe.
No. No. Say something like that. Dad. I see something like this. Great. Wait, actually, I never got a.
Julian,
Where are they? I think they hit the big rock now. Okay. Because they can't push no more. Eloise and I in the market. We are buying stuff. Daddy wants a puchero, so we bought the soup with banana. And yeah, and we bought some apples and I got avocado 280 per kilo. I got 2 pieces for 90 pesos. Ayan. But it's still not ripe. Ayan. And auntie in the house, she came early. And we still need to get chicken feed and chickens for the feeding and what else? I think that's pretty much it. Pet chai, I can't find no pet chai. Aria, pila ka?
Ari,
HP
1
na?
horsepower.
1 horse.
Para ito.
Dan man na guro eh. O kung magmuna ka, kinanglan pa na, hindi na?
Parilain man ni Babe. Pag hindi ko na eh. Gasuyog siya tubig sa dalpa.
No? Basi sa brand? Ay, tiyo, submersible pump, good man.
I don't see how they can get any sugar out of that.
The mga gagmay na. Yeah.
Whoa,
But where's the guy?
I don't know. Look at that.
Where are they? The guys, drill guys. Oh, they're at 30 feet, they said, and they're trying to see if there's water there. When my wind, what's that windshield? It's too dirty.
Yeah, we gotta buy windshield.
Thank you. See.
Smelling
You gotta drink it.
it. Is that how you do it? You just smell it?
Pakita ko lang sa iyo. Ay, pati sa kasaka mo.
Alright.
It is. Whatever. Cheap, they just